we go to the 1 hour, it should be even less, 66% win ratio. And for those who are scalpers and high frequency traders, you can go to the 5 minute, that's 80%. You can make this work in the 5 minute. And what you can do is, again, you can dial in your thresholds here and standard deviation at the bottom, high and low, for exactly how active you want to be. But if you have it compressed, you'll see you're not getting many sell signals up here. So that is the first one I want to show you. And I hope things are clear. I hope I'm getting better at doing this. This is Ethereum. The second one, Ethereum, sadly, we have the 21 shares ETH future ETF. There's no inverse negative one yet. We can short against it. There is in Germany. So if you are trading in Germany, you can do the long 21 shares and the short 21 shares in Germany. But I don't trade the German ones, nor do my exchanges have access to them. Now, another fun one on the crypto side before we look at some stocks. Actually, let's look at a stock first. Let's go to Nvidia. And here, same as before, we pull in our asset. We go to the settings. We go to the NVDS. That's the inverse asset to NVDA. NVDS is the short Nvidia fund.